Today we're going to look at the difference between shapes and paths. So let's put a couple of shapes out here for us. Let's put it on here. Okay, we've got a full circle. Let's fix our stroke. There we go. Okay, so this is just your basic shape. I'm going to duplicate it so that we can look at these shapes differently. Okay, when I use my selector tool, here you go, my selection tool, I've just got my shape selected. You can see that the little squares here are not colored in. If I use my node tool, over here, my node pointer, I can adjust things more closely. If I want to do that, though, I have to turn this shape into a path. Right now, even though I have my node pointer on, this is still just a basic shape. I have to go up into the path menu and select object to path. And now you can see these are grayed in, which shows me that I now have nodes. So I can kind of really customize. These are the nodes, the little squares. These on the lines, they allow me to change the angles and really kind of tweak things a little bit more. So you can see this doesn't look anything at all like that circle I just had. Okay, so that's how you use the nodes. Beware though, once I've turned this into a path, it can't be just your basic shape again. It is kind of done with that. One of the things that I like to show is, let's turn that into a star. Move that over there. That larger and an easier color. What I'd like to do, this is I'm going to turn it into a path. So I'm going to go up to path, object to path. I'm going to use my node pointer. And I'd like to add some more nodes is what I'd really like to do. I'd like to be able to customize this more than what I have here. So you can see I'm using the node pointer to really kind of customize. And it looks like I have a rocket ship. But if I hold down my shift key and I select two nodes, I can go up here and you can see these are all different things I can do with the nodes. I'm going to add some more nodes in there, because now I can really customize what I'm doing. So the more nodes you have, the more customizing you can make this. More customized, I should say. Right now this looks like a weird dog. Oops. Nope, wrong. I don't want node pointer. Oy. There we go. I want to turn it so it looks more like the dog. Or some weird kind of insect. But you can make all sorts of different things as much as you want to be creative. You can make things. So again, I like using the, I add in nodes. Notice how they're all reddish blue right now and they're not gray. That means they're all selected. So if I try to move one, they're all going to go with me. So I want to make sure that they're grayed out if I just want to move individual ones. So that is how you use the node pointer to really customize your shapes. Good luck.